case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Colorado versus Connelly, a controversial lawsuit revolving around a murder confession from a defendant suffering from chronic schizophrenia. Francis Connelly, the defendant in question, shocked authorities when he delivered an unprompted confession to a murder, driven by voices that he identified as the voice of God. Despite his disturbing mental state, the trial court initially ruled his confession inadmissible, citing his compromised mental health at the time of the confession. However, the Supreme Court of Colorado reversed this judgment, proclaiming that his confession should be treated as legitimate evidence. They contended that state evidence rules, not precedent on coerced confessions and Miranda waivers, should govern the admissibility of Connelly's confession. This case eventually found its way to the U.S. Supreme Court on appeal. Using the case of Lego versus Toomey as a reference point, the court upheld the standard that a confession's voluntariness could be established by the state using a preponderance of evidence. The court clarified that the Fifth Amendment, which protects against self-incrimination, only guarded against governmental coercion, not pressures of the psychological or moral nature. Furthermore, they stated that Connelly's perception of coercion from the voice of God was not relevant to constitutional discourse. With this perspective, the Supreme Court reversed the judgment of the Colorado Supreme Court and sent the case back for further proceedings, with the mandating that these proceedings consider this ruling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.